Say hey to the vlog. Tilapia. You want some? What? Huh? Died. Too shit. Yeah, I know. It's just be on. That shit crazy. That be hard though. I need to get me some boots. Hey, trail ride. You gonna ask? Hey, how much you show you?
Patricia, ¿cuánto está? 55, 55.
You wanna grill? Some boots though. You got it, Kyle. Some ones over here too. Got a lot of shit over here. Bitch. Oh yeah, we gotta run them.
I got a 13.
I don't know, it's a 45.
It's 45 right here.
That's Alexander McQueen.
How much?
Oh, then.
250, all of them 250. No, these Alexander.
Yeah, they white.
I thought the other was a big size.
Yeah, they don't be having big size like that. Got these watches in here. They got bags up in here.
Huh?
Got bags. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all. They almost look like, what you call it? Oh, they got Michael Kors. They got the name brand in there. Shit, he finna tear this curve the fuck up. Tear it down in a minute.
Ready, baby? You put my shades for the cruise activation.
Yeah, the baby. Yeah. Gotta crack my tongue. I was gonna get it bad. Shit. I can edit my video while I'm on here. I might can't upload it, but I edit. I can. Let's go, Mom. Say hey to the vlog. That's why all the other people do that too. What that is?
Back at that fam. Oh.
We got air conditioning.
Hey.
Hey.
Just give me the night.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see nothing else. Come on this side, sir. We can see some islands come up, but if you want to go around the drink, yeah, you put his old boot in that bitch. Oh shit, look, that's all one year. What the fuck? That's that shit. That's that shit the auntie be having. And this for that lady. I'm not sitting.
I wonder if I can FaceTime my mama. You hear me? Yeah, I had two pictures. Yeah, I'm about to send it to you.
What we got?
Yeah, I'm gonna see some pictures.
I might start on the
did
Caesar
some
salad.
videos. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we went on now. Yeah. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
You got the salmon. I got the cordon bleu. You got African fillet. That's a lie. That's your shit.
Cream souffle.
It was what?
Cream souffle.
You don't know what the fuck it is. Yeah, that sugar with that hard sugar on top. Yeah. And then this is apple shit. And I don't like it, but
Bad.
let me do it.
I'm a little white friend.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
The house on the prairies.